Problem 9, expand the following expression. We have the product of two terms in parentheses. So how do we approach this type of problems when we need to expand something? And it could be two terms in each, or it could be more. Maybe it was 2x plus 3y plus 7, and the question could still be expand. How do we do all of this type?
So there's two ways, distributive property and FOIL, which is a common...
Which is technically the same way, but there are, I would say, two names.
But basically, we would simply distribute each term over the terms in the second parentheses separately, like 3x times 2x, then 3x times 3y, then 3x times 7, and then 5 times 2x, 5 times 3y, 5 times 7.
So we will get 6 terms, but maybe some of them will combine. So each term from the first parenthesis times each term in the second parenthesis, and then combining the like terms. All right. So, and the same thing here. First term times each in the second parenthesis, and the second term times each in the second parenthesis. In school, for the case when it's 2 terms here and 2 terms here, there is often the mnemonic, which is
FOIL, or first, outside, inside, last.
So F stands for first, O for outside, then I for inside, and last. It looks like FOIL asks us to do it in this particular order. Is that important? Would we get a different answer if we do it in some other order?
No, but this is just the specific order it's designed in. But it does not matter in the end, because you'll still get the same answer.
So it's convenient for remembering, but if I do the inside first and then outside and then the other ones, it's still correct, but I can get lost in them and maybe accidentally forget something. So it's nice to follow the order they give. All right, so let's try it this order. First is
3x times 2x.
First term times first term, and we get 6x. Then next is
x squared.
Yes, that's right. It is 6x squared because it was x in 3x and x in 2x. Good. Next, we will do outside,
which is 3x times 7, or 21x.
All right. Next, we will do the inside terms,
which are 5 and 2x.
Which is 5 times 2 is 10, so it's 10x. And finally, we will do the product of the last terms,
which is 5 and 7, or 35.
All right, so this is our expansion. And final step is to combine the like terms, the terms that have x to the same power or don't have x at all. All right, so 21x plus 10x, we just add them. We get 31x.
Plus 35.
Plus 35. And that's it here. So this is through FOIL. And if you would do distributive property, you'll get the same thing. But normally you will write first 6x squared, then 21x, 10x, and 5 times 7, 35. So exact same order, just different visualization through the lines. That's the final expanded expression.